Approach. We need a different approach to solve this mess. Our approach must align with company standards. Achieve. Bro, you finally achieved your dream. He achieved remarkable results in his recent project. Concern. Man, I ain't got no concern about that. Your concern regarding the matter is valid. Involve. Dude, don't involve me in your drama. The project will involve multiple departments. Maintain. How do you even maintain that car, man? We must maintain a high level of performance. Confirm. Can you confirm if the party's still on? I would like to confirm our meeting schedule. Gather. Let's gather at Mike's place later. We need to gather sufficient data before proceeding. Attend. Yo, you gonna attend the show tonight? All employees must attend the meeting. Avoid. I just avoid talking to her, too much drama. It's crucial to avoid misunderstandings. Determine. How you gonna determine who's right? We must determine the root cause immediately. Seek. I'm seeking a better gig, bro. We are seeking qualified candidates. Improve. Gotta improve my game before the tournament. We aim to improve service quality. Assume. Don't just assume stuff, ask first. We should not assume without evidence. Attend. You attending that wild party? He will attend the international conference. Survive. Man, I barely survived that exam. The company survived the economic crisis. Convince. Good luck convincing her to. We must convince the stakeholders. Handle. Relax, I'll handle it. He is qualified to handle this responsibility. Contribute. Just contribute a few bucks, man. He contributed significantly to the project. Respond. Why you ain't responding to my texts? We need to respond promptly to all inquiries. Prevent. How can we prevent that mess next time? Preventive measures should be in place. Recognize. Dude, I barely recognized you. We must recognize outstanding employees. Realize. Just realized I left my keys, damn. We realize the importance of this task. Reflect. That score doesn't reflect my real skills. The report reflects our achievements accurately. Represent. Who's gonna represent us in the finals? She represents our company abroad. Suggest. Any place you suggest for dinner? I would like to suggest an alternative solution. Depend. Man, it depends on my mood. Success depends on proper planning. Arrange. Let's arrange a meetup soon. I'll arrange a meeting with the clients. Deny. Don't deny you ate it all. The company denies all allegations. Afford. Can't afford that fancy stuff. We cannot afford delays in this project. Ignore. She totally ignored my call. We must not ignore minor details. Prefer. I prefer chilling at home, honestly. He prefers remote work over commuting. Rely. You can't just rely on luck, bro. We rely heavily on data analysis. Insist. Why you insist on being so stubborn? I must insist on following protocols. Intend. I intend to bail early, just saying. I intend to submit my report tomorrow. Announce. They announced a surprise concert. The manager will announce the new policies. Adjust. Hold on, let me adjust the seat. We should adjust the timeline as needed. Commit. I'm not ready to commit, dude. Employees must commit to deadlines. Assume. Don't assume, just ask. We assumed the risks involved. Influence. Bro, peer pressure really influenced him. Leaders influence organizational culture. Convince. How'd you convince her, man? Convincing stakeholders is crucial. Encourage. They encouraged me to join the trip. Managers should encourage innovation. Perform. Gotta perform better next match. He performed exceptionally in the evaluation. Complain. Stop complaining, it's not that bad. Customers complained about late deliveries. Mention. He didn't even mention my name, man. You should mention your qualifications clearly. Operate. How you operate this machine? The system operates efficiently. Prove. Man, prove it or I won't believe you. We must prove the concept before scaling. Replace. Time to replace this junk phone. We need to replace outdated software. Succeed. If you hustle hard, you'll succeed. He succeeded in expanding the business. Boost. This coffee really boosts my energy. We aim to boost customer satisfaction. Struggle. Man, I'm struggling with rent this month. He struggled to meet the tight deadlines.